This is vaporizer mini steam inhaler cum sauna. Get relief from common cold, bronchitis, stuffy head and nose conditions, hay fever, asthma, throat infection, extra. These are the features. Steam inhaler cum facial sauna produces steam vapors in seconds. I will show you. Useful for both healthy and beauty, highly effective, easy to use and clean. Ideal for home and travel, plastic body to prevent shocks, 1.5 meters long cord. And these are the instructions and this is the caution and electrical data, and must read about the warranty also. This is the price. Price is near about 350 Indian rupees. Let us have a look. This is one piece. And this is for facial. The cord length is very good, 1.5 meters length. This is the warranty card. This is the another piece. This is the threading here. It is not the press fitted. It is threaded. That's all. This is the indication. This is the maximum water level indication. This is the maximum and this is the minimum. You should not keep the water level below this level and you should not exceed this level. There will be a heater inside of this. When you put plug, there is a heater inside that will get heated up, and hence the water will be heated up. It will heat the water within seconds. It is very good one. It is very effective. I will show you. That's all. First we will check with this one. I am switching it on. See, instantly it is coming. It is very good. You can see the steam. It is very fast and very good one. I am switching it off now and I will put this one. Now let us have a look. See how fast it is coming. Now I switched it off. Now I am putting this. Again I switch it on. I hope this video is useful. Let us meet again.